I'm a huge Kendrick Lamar fan. I kind of feel that connection, you know. But right now, let's go ahead and take a look at the Cortez Kenny IV house shoes. Okay. What up, guys? Babs Moneybags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. We got all these shoes that I am gonna be unboxing soon on the channel. Oh, that one almost fell. Yeah, we're gonna be unboxing some. What's this one? Oh yeah, I know what this is. And inside this box, we have a shoe that I personally thought was gonna be, or was gonna have more demand. And with that said, today we have the Cortez Kenny IV in the house shoes. I don't even want to say colorway, because it's honestly like a whole different take on the shoe. But yeah, I got them from Dover Street Market, New York. How do I open this box? I've never had any shoe from them, so I honestly have no idea. Well, the tape was here, so I assume it's here. But that was nothing compared to what this one's doing to me right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and rip this off. Oh, I was right. What the fuck? Look at this. I was right. But it still won't open. Oh, there you go. Oh, mazel tov. Hey, très bien, je parle le français, mon ami. Oh, okay, they fancy with this. Shout out to Dover Street Market in New York for quality stuff. You know, a little bit of branding while also shipping the shoe. I really appreciate that. They send you a little envelope with, I am assuming, your order information. Indeed, it is an invoice. Which, by the way, these retail for $100. So that's the one thing about all Cortez Kennys that have dropped. The retail price has been really cheap because at the end of the day, it is still a Cortez. Of course, some of these have gone for a lot higher when it comes to resale. But for these, again, I paid $100 for retail, and then from New York, I paid $15 shipping, which is the one thing that kind of bothered me a little bit. So $115 total for these. So right now, let's go ahead and take the... Check me out though. Check this elevator engineering technique to take out the box. You see that, bro? I was gonna struggle to take it out this thing, but nah. Just piss me off when it's damaged, but it's whatever, man. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and slip these out. We're gonna go ahead and there you go. Alright, so go ahead and put this one here. And by the way, I was super excited about these shoes when I first got them because I thought it was like another one of those super exclusive drops, and I actually got a pair. But then they kept restocking it, so I just kind of lost the hype. But I'm still kind of, you know, intrigued by the shoe because it's like a different take on the Cortez silhouette. And of course, these are the Kendrick Lamar. I'm a huge Kendrick Lamar fan, so you know, I kind of feel that connection, you know. But right now, let's go ahead and take a look at the Cortez Kenny IV house shoes, right? Yeah. Okay, they're looking interesting. It looks weird. It looks weird because, you know, you don't have the laces, but the color scheme on these is starting to look really interesting. So let's go ahead and take these out. Oh, I f with this. I don't know why, but I f with this. These are gonna be so comfortable, man. I can already tell these are gonna be some other level of comfort. Like just grabbing it, they feel kind of light. You know, I feel like a little bit more wide. Do you pull it? How does this work? Because now this is longer than this one. So I don't know what I just did, but this is the toggle system that helps you adjust the shoes to your foot. You do have Nike written right below the collar on the heel area as well. Anyways, on the inside, I really love the way they drew the Nike swoosh by literally just doing the edges of the swoosh, not even coloring it in. And nothing else really on the inside. A little bit of contrast over here with the gray, but that's kind of it. And of course the orange color over here in the midsole. Now going to where the laces would be on the shoe, of course you have house shoes in a larger font written across the top of the shoe. And the whole strip that says house shoes also kind of blocks this Nike branding piece in front of the tongue. You do have like this really weird tongue though, because then on the inside, this is where it's more cushioned. You have like another layer, which is where your foot actually goes into. The tongue has nothing to do with it. Again, no laces, so that kind of makes sense. Once again, a little bit of contrast with the gray over here in the toe box, and then moving towards the outside, you do have a navy. Oh man, my throat is not, oh god, a navy color swoosh, which is actually filled in, not just the edges like the one on the inside. But now going towards the outside, you do have the regular Cortez outside pattern and also Nike branding right in the dead center of the shoe. Again, nothing so special with that outsole. I think that this one is more interesting over here on the insole, where you do have Nike branding right below the heel. The insole is padded, and I was reading on one of the websites that it was made differently, so it actually feels like a house slipper or whatever, so that it's more comfortable to wear around anywhere. I think right there you can see it. There you go. I think that should be, and it's kind of dark. There you go. Either way, I'm gonna give you a close up, but it says Nike Cortez, preferably wear with shorts and tall socks, and it's facing over here on the inside part of the shoe, or it's located on the inside part of the shoe, right by the collar. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just super excited to try these on because I feel that they're gonna be so comfortable. Just looking at the insole is kind of like, oh, I'm gonna be stepping on a mattress or something. So I really like that pattern on the insole. And don't forget that I'm gonna have links to buy these in the description. If you guys are interested, you can go visit. I'll put as many websites as possible. You know, places like StockX and Gold had them for like close to retail, just because again the demand for these wasn't as huge as you know, expected, I guess. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about walking on the street with a little thing hanging from the back, but I mean it kind of looks like a heel loop almost, you know, like in the same area as a heel loop. So I don't think it's that big of a deal. But anyways, right now, let's go ahead and see how these look on feet. But anyways guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. Anyways, once again, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Best money bags. Out.